Most people think the first sign of a clogged artery is a dramatic chest clutch. However, by the time you experience severe chest pain, your coronary arteries are often already 70% blocked. Plaque silently builds up inside your vessel walls over decades, and your body actually sends out quiet, bizarre warning signals long before a heart attack strikes. If you are over 50, ignoring these subtle red flags could be the biggest mistake of your life. Today, we are exposing the hidden signs that your heart is choked with plaque and why you need to catch them right now. 1. The phantom jaw and neck ache. You might wake up with a dull, throbbing ache in your lower jaw or the side of your neck and immediately assume you just slept wrong or need a root canal. But this radiating discomfort is often a phenomenon known as referred pain, triggered by silent ischemia in your heart muscle. When cholesterol plaque restricts oxygen-rich blood flow through your coronary arteries, your distressed cardiac nerves send panic signals up through the vagus nerve, which intersects with the exact nerve pathways in your jaw, neck, and even your left ear. Millions of older adults make the fatal mistake of visiting a dentist or a chiropractor for this persistent ache, completely ignoring the fact that their heart is begging for oxygen. If you experience an unexplained jaw ache that flares up when you exert yourself and magically goes away when you rest, your cardiovascular system is dangerously compromised. 2. Sudden exhaustion doing chores. It is remarkably common for men and women over 50 to dismiss sudden bouts of fatigue or breathlessness as just another unavoidable part of getting older. However, if making the bed suddenly leaves you gasping for air or feeling entirely wiped out, you are likely experiencing a critical drop in cardiac output. When atherosclerotic plaque hardens and narrows your arteries, your heart is forced to pump much harder against immense resistance just to circulate basic blood volume. This literally starves your lungs and skeletal muscles of the essential oxygen they need for minor physical tasks, leaving you feeling profoundly exhausted. Writing this off as simple aging or being out of shape is a massive trap that allows the plaque to continue hardening into calcium deposits, eventually leading to massive heart failure while you wrongly assume you just needed a nap. 3. Cramping. Calves on a short walk. Many seniors brush off a sharp, burning cramp in their calf or thigh muscles while walking as a simple Charlie horse, arthritis, or a lack of potassium. What you are actually experiencing is a condition called intermittent claudication, and it is a blaring siren that your entire vascular system is suffocating. Atherosclerosis is a systemic disease, meaning if plaque is clogging the vessels in your legs, it is absolutely choking the arteries surrounding your heart and brain. As you walk, your leg muscles demand more oxygen, but the plaque-filled peripheral arteries cannot deliver the supply, causing a painful buildup of lactic acid that stops you in your tracks. Assuming this is just a minor muscle tweak ignores a massive warning sign of systemic arterial disease, putting you at an immediate, elevated risk for a stroke or a widowmaker heart attack. Plaque buildup does not happen overnight, but the consequences of ignoring these quiet warnings can end your life in an instant. Stop writing off these bizarre symptoms as normal aging and start listening to what your vascular system is screaming at you. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful and you feel that this information is eye-opening and has the potential to save lives, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.